We have some Silkies with two also young Asturiana at only about 4 weeks old, and then at about 2.5 months old, maybe 3 months now, the Asturiana chicks that are a little older. They're still very young. Everybody's doing good, enjoying a nice day out here at the yard. This coop is working out pretty good. Needed a lot of stone because it's getting wet in there, but that's okay. And the other coop has a rabbit inhabitant, so we're not using that right now. And here's how the dogs are with the chickens. They're definitely wary, but if they don't flit around, all is well. Maybe they've learned. I think they're doing pretty good. These are very young. Oh, they're so beautiful. So 6 Silkies and 2 more of the Asturiana. Those are pita ones. And for the coop, I had to add a lot to it to make it really usable and hopefully predator safe, with bottom staples and extra roofing and extra netting. And this one comes with the extra pole in the middle, which is great.